Peter Obi no win, she go japa. Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Yes, so if today is your first time coming across this my YouTube channel, thank you. Please subscribe, join this beautiful family. Today I bring this our beautiful sister Adaeze. Hey, you know her? I beg, head to her house. Oh, she's a mommy of 3 beautiful daughters. Yes. I believe a lot of now go know. May I head to my topic, because if you know NELO, you know Adaeze. If you know Adaeze, you know NELO. 2 of them, they be party for this our social media space. The reason why I bring this my sister come to this Naija Daughter TV X about what she talk. Congratulations, sis Adaeze. Congratulations, yes, for your brother new job. As you say, your brother get big job now, job career and go Canada. Congratulations, I'm happy with you. I celebrate with your family. Yes, it's not easy, okay? To even get a job is not easy. Talk of a job take you out of your country, and good job for that matter as you take talk. Congratulations, sister. Yes, my reason why I bring this your topic come to my table. The reason why this is our sister. So we talk more. If YouTube allow me play for my channel, I go let her display. At when our sister Adaeze talk say, if Peter Obi no win, she go japa. Now no hear her from my mouth. May una hear her for the Hox's mouth.
I'm quite comfortable in Nigeria. Don't get me wrong. I'm quite comfortable in Nigeria because thankfully my husband has a good. Well, even if my husband has a good job, he has a good job. But when you think about it, as the dollar is rising, the salary they reduce. But at least for Nigerian standard, he has a good job. Me, I am blessed because I earn in dollars, which is from music and all of that. So I'm election. This type of talking about
the make cocoa one me una wash.
Like people literally, because at the end of the day, like I said, my brother and sister, they went through a very good path, okay? I'm not about to go to another country and go and suffer for anybody. Like, it's not going to happen, But that being said, if Toby does not win the next election, this Jackpot people are talking about, people have not even seen Jackpot season. That one, like, people literally use leg and be crossing Sahara Desert. Like, the way I will go, you watch my video this morning where I'm going to markets to go and buy fish. You watch my video this morning where I'm going to market, where I'm going to take my children in school. My next video, you're going to see me already settled in Canada. In fact, as I'm watching this video, you don't even know whether I am already settled in Canada. I've already gotten school for my kids. I've already furnished my house.
Hey, my beautiful sister Adaeze. I enjoyed this your Adaeze Speaks. I enjoyed this your video. Voila! Nigeria, our sister don't tell you now. Say if Peter Obi no win, she go japa. If brother and the sister they then japa. Say if Peter Obi no win, she go japa. But if Peter Obi win, she go stay behind. Me una count her out. If you never watched that video, go watch that video. She said if Peter Obi win, she go stay. My reason why I bring the matter come this my table is hey. Jackpa, oh. If you never jackpa, oh. Everybody want to jackpa. Oh, Baba. God, bless that our country. God, bless that our country. So that we, your children, we the citizens of Nigeria, we have hope. Yes. My beautiful sister Adaeze, the reason why I bring this, for me, looking at you, undermine the crisis when Nigeria they pass through. You and your family still they do well. Though your brother don't jackpot go Canada, you still talk and say na job carry and go Canada. Those countries suffer though. Those countries suffer a day. For me, nothing like home. If your country is better, you dey okay as you still talk say your husband get good job and your brother na job carry and go Canada. If your husband get good job, my sister, for me, I will advise you to stay. As you see, say your moxie say, those your 3 beautiful daughters say they need abroad. Nothing like home. It's true. Your children fit come school. You fit for me, I live that side. The reason why I really break this matter come is Everybody they call about Peter Obi, make Peter Obi win. Everybody, including my own younger brother, our last born. If you go in or social media handle, Peter Obi must win, Peter Obi must win. I wish him good luck. For me, wait till I ask my younger brother, now I want to ask, we the Nigeria citizen, what of the Peter Obi win? Things not change. It can't even works. What you now go talk? What of Peter Obi, not come win? Things can't change. Wait you now go talk. You know, we are not God. We are just human who God created. And wait till I tell my brother, now the break come back soon. Because for a country to become a good country, it must pass through. For a gold to become a gold, it must pass through a lot of fire. You know, this Buhari 6 is so when everybody they shout. Remember time of good luck, Jonathan. Things better. Now the things when our Baba, Daddy, Lord Jonathan, like hello, your daughter lawyer, when they do, the money when they steal, a lot of things when they do, now Buhari they face today. What of this our Papa Peter Obi when everybody they campaign now, when they say must win? What of Peter Obi can win? The things when go still meet for grand, when Buhari do, now if you say the crisis will just vanish once. No, the crisis not vanish. The crisis still there. Like good luck Jonathan, our daddy. Sorry, sir, I mention your name. When he be governor, he performed well from the state. Now that the same hour, now they look this our daddy Peter Obi. Say he performed well for state. He go perform well for president. When Goodluck Jonathan perform well for governor, he say he not use slippers take go school. He not get sandals take go school. Now ordinary leg, now he take go school. People vote for him. But when he reach the seat, he jam people, pray, say make bad people not surround your table. So that may they not use their shit, they rob you. Nigeria strong. Nigeria deep. We feel vote for this our Papa Peter Obi win. What of the opposite other party when you go dey the House of Assembly? Una vote dem comot. What of the Peter Obi win now as president, governor of the state, each state? How many one win for inside the Peter Obi party? Wetin win as a president? What of the not be president they work for state too? Nigeria, as Nigeria big rich, so each state for Nigeria, money when they give them. So, some country for Africa, they not for in fact for a month, some country for the full country, some Africa, now they receive. So not they receive money when each state, Nigeria state, they receive, they collect in a month or in a year. A full country in Africa, they not they see them. Why those our governor? Why they not see they do well? Everything not just be president, oh. Everything not just be president. Because if they shout president, me I they look. Because inside president there is a House of Assembly, there is governor, inside your own governor. For your own local government, when you for come, there is chairman. What do your chairman they do? Money when they release for them, what did they do? Not be say I not say me they not vote for Peter Obi. Peter Obi fit win now. Those area people when they Nigeria, when they say now the whole Nigeria. Now prayer, now we need prayer, and you and me when we they pray say make Peter Obi win for your own village. You don't reach one of two people, make they vote for Peter Obi. How many people you don't feel you say vote for Peter Obi? Not before a state, oh, not before city, no. City people not they read they vote. Now village people they vote. How many people you don't feel paid now for your own village or for the area where you for grow? Not be just for us to sit down. If Peter Obi no win, my sister go jackpot. I think see what I just jump. If I say me I break her down, this my video. Not I never big rich now. I bet if you get this my video, I bet share it so that me I break her down for now. If Peter Obi win, the state, each state, the party go win for each state of Nigeria. We have 36 states. I be 37 now as 36. I say 36 states. Inside that 36 states, imagine Peter Obi win as a governor. as a president. As he win as a president, inside that 36 states, maybe five House of Assembly, now he go dey inside House of Assembly. Maybe 3 or 2, now he go win as a governor. The remaining one. My people, I thank you now. Hey, as you now make me Naija daughter. Opposition party, I wish this our daddy, Peter Obi, may him win. But the way when we dey say Peter Obi go win, wetin you don't do now? You don't feel convert one person, may you vote for Peter Obi. How many people you don't feel convert now may they vote for Peter Obi? For me, may we dey double before we dey come out for social media, before we dey talk, may we dey analyze things. I will come back for part 2 about this Peter Obi. I will come back again for part 2 because I don't want my video too long, so that may my people, when they enjoy my video, when they watch my video, maybe it's too much for them. No, I don't want. I just want to want small. This my beautiful sister, Adaeze speaks. If you want Japa, not because of Peter Obi, okay? If you don't want Japa, stay. For me, your brother travel. You know me say na you. But if you still get everything to fit a travel, you fit. But for me, I look, you say you did very okay in your place, in your country. No place like home. Yes, no place like home. But if you don't say you want Japa, it dey your mind. You are free to Japa. Who am I? But just say because of if Peter Obi no win, you go. Out of you can't Japa, Peter Obi no win, you can't reach the Canada. When you dey your country, Nigeria, you live okay and you live comfortable. Hey, when you dey Europe, we dey suffer. Oh, hey, for me, suffer dey Europe. If now this they are cold. When you no master ox, they no born us from here. In fact, not be moi. Talk of your husband get good job and you are doing well. You dey catch out dollar. People we want dey the Europe, we not dey catch out dollar. Doing they catch out dollar. For me, double think, okay? Double think. But if you say because of your brother and your sister, they don't travel, you want go meet, then your husband will lose his job. If your husband still get job, as the Japa, now get job online, now take Japa go Canada, it's good. But say your husband don't get job because of Peter Obi, because of our papa when they look for work, they look for work, his salary, they look for that crown as a ex-president. I beg go. You when you campaign online, say Peter Obi. I beg go your village, go campaign. Now village get vote. Yes. Village now they get vote. Go your village, go campaign for Peter Obi. Let us see say he win. I remember when those people say 4 plus 4, it go complete. And they, as they talk and they use their phone, they do background, they do everything. No, now make sure to not do like that because I don't want years say Peter Obi no win. And the other opposite party, APC and PDP, when the whole Nigeria strong now, they still career. He go to pay me, he go to pay me. I pray for my beautiful country, Nigeria, no place like home. I can't wait to make that country, make God transform us. It transform Dubai when our president, our leaders, our politicians, they thief our money, go they buy house for there. They refuse to build their own country. Yes, I think they don't grab one now. They don't seize the property because of UK. I don't want to talk that one. But I can't wait to make my country better because no place like home. No place like home. I go tell you now the truth. No place like home. Racist, everything. When you go they face for another person country. A language barrier. If they speak English, maybe English from another English people. But it can never be like your home. It can never be like your house, like your home. Stranger and a stranger. Now that one I get to talk. If it makes sense, I bet drop your own opinion. If it not make sense, drop your own opinion. If you never subscribe to this Naija Daughter TV, please subscribe. I think I listen to my sister just now, Ada. If you not get her, you will get her because now NELO, no NELO for this YouTube street. Now her friend. I just say me I tell her say no because of Peter Obi. You want Japa? If you want Japa. If you don't want Japa, okay, stay and stay and stay and stay. We like you, we love you. Thank you all. I will see you in my next video. Bye.